everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and this is my October vlog a couple days early because the whole month of October is all starts out with a bang. So I thought I would do my vlog at the end of September, just a couple days early. Um, Starting out here, I have some happy mail I wanted to show you guys. I know that people who send happy mail like to see it on screen. These are actually all thank you notes. Two of them are from people who I sent a free cactus stencil to for being winners from my 20K giveaway. And two people sent me thank you notes that they made themselves, which is very special. I put them up on my bulletin board so that I can see them. And I'm just showing them to you really quickly so you can see what Happy Mail looks like. Those both have nice notes, thanking me for the stencils and wishes that my family is doing well, stuff like that. This one is another thank you note. This one is from someone who purchased some art from me, and it was for her, I think her daughter-in-law, as a gift, and she sent me a thank you, and then she also sent me some nice tag board and this package of collage tissue. Look at that, isn't that pretty? So that was my happy mail. Thank you, 3, for those pretties. I always love to get those in the mail. I did want to show you guys this too. I purchased this on Etsy from Watercolor Hoarder, and these are 2 of the new Daniel Smith granulating watercolor sets, and I bought it from someone in apparently Singapore. Took a month to get here, but there's some samples of what I was playing around with. It's very muted colors. I'd also like to say my thank yous to Janelle, Linda, and Arlene for donations. I have a PayPal me donation button underneath the, just down there below. You can click on it. You can give a donation to my channel. I'd also like to thank all the people who purchased the class for gel printing that we did. I think, was it in September or was it in August? I don't know. It was a 4-week class, and people paid for that and joined our class membership. Our next class for Art Joy of Sharing class membership is coming up in November, and it is a mark making and stamping class. So that's what's coming up starting in like the first week of November. I can't remember what the date is, but that'll be fun. All different ways of stamping and mark making, and how to properly stamp, and then also how to make your own mark making tools, and also how to use tools, just regular stuff to make marks. So mark making is important in your mixed media work because it adds your hand to the piece. So it's something that will be a fun class to learn. And we're also throwing in stamping because people ask for a stamping class. So that will be in November. The class will be $25 if you haven't already joined the group. There was a premier membership joining, and I want to thank all the people that joined. So I wanted to tell you a few other things while I'm working. This series, I used to do this all the time. Well, I don't know, every once in a while. It was called Tags from the Desk, and I would make altered tags using stuff on my desk. That's what I'm doing. I found as I was sorting through this big basket of stuff that I had a few more tags that had some gel printing on them. So I grabbed them, and I was just grabbing a couple of those and making them into something. So pieces and parts of stuff in this basket, mark making, drawing, that type of stuff, coloring to finish, and then of course I put fibers in them. So that's what I'm doing for the rest of the video. But I wanted to tell you, of course, that in our Facebook group, Art Joy of Sharing, we will be having a very fun annual event. It is art journaling every day, and we used to do it in November, but November is nuts. You got all the holidays and the people coming, and it's hard to do an art journal page every day in November. So we moved it to October last year, I think, and we're doing it again in October. So starting October 1st, we'll be doing art journaling every day, and the theme, which is a hashtag, is AJOS Peculiar Persona. And all the prompts are names of characters, and this is making characters in your art journal. It'll be super fun. And there's so many different ways you can do them with magazine collage or something that's pre-printed or paper dolls or pictures, whatever. They all have a name, two names that can kind of give you an idea of what the page is, the character is about. And I've already started working on some of mine because I needed to get ahead for taking pictures and things. But that will be starting on October 1st. So I hope you guys will join in. I hope you guys have a journal or have made one by now with all your extra gel prints. I was talking about that last week, I think, and getting ready and getting excited about art journaling every day. It doesn't have to be difficult. It's supposed to be fun. Don't stress over it. If you can't get it done every single day, then that's okay. But I'll have a video every day, and it will be fun. I promise. Also, during the month, we have the Pick a Stick Challenge over at Art Joy of Sharing. We have the Mood Board Challenge over at Art Joy of Sharing. Those things go on every single month. So those will be posted on October 1st. Also, I wanted to give you guys a heads up about when you're watching my videos. I always put extra links that go in the iCard, which is in the upper right hand corner. If you hover over the upper right corner of the video, there'll be this little eye thing, and it comes up and you can click on it. And when I'm doing a challenge, which I'm often, very often doing challenges that we've done in the past, I try to link my videos from the previous years to the current video, so you can go back and see what happened a year ago on that same date. And I don't know how many people use the iCards. I also put something at the end that you can click on, a playlist and also a video that you can click on at the end. I do that with all my videos, and I just wanted to give you guys a reminder of that. Also, all the ways that you can find me on social media are there along the bottom edge of the video. People don't pay attention to that. And then below the video, there is a donation button. There's a link to our Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group where you can ask to join. That's where all our challenges and everything going on is. It's Facebook though, so you have to have Facebook. Also my Instagram, my blog, my, all the other stuff, just right there for you to click. So easy. I will also be doing a Let Us Start with Art video hop on October 1st and a Artsy Second Sunday video hop on the 10th. Those are both really good video hops with lots of cool free content for you guys to check out. You just watch my video and then you go down below and click on the next video, and when you get back to mine, you're back to my video, you're done. Please, when you're watching the hops, make sure to give everyone a thumbs up. If you can, leave a comment. I know some of you guys are watching on TVs and it won't let you leave a comment very easily. Because I've been doing that lately. I've been trying to watch on my TV, and it's really kind of annoying because you can't interact with the people. Also, the Artsy Second Sunday hop is always a premiere, so you can, if you come when it starts, when the premiere of the video starts, you can chat with other people and with me or whoever's video it is in the chat. That's always fun. Of course, we all hope that you will subscribe to our channel so that you know when there's new videos coming out, and also that you will turn on your notification bells. Something about notifications is better for YouTube's algorithm, and they will share your channel more I don't know why. I don't understand the whole algorithm thing. It's confusing, but we all want to grow our channels. I certainly do. And so it's always helpful if you do all those things to help us. Let's see what else is going on. I gotta look. Huh. I'm not sure what else I have here. I think that might be it. Oh, of course. Art Joy of Sharing live streams every Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Pacific time, 10:30 Central, and whatever time it is. That's a live show on a different channel, but it's Peg Robinson and I, the same people who run the Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group. We do it every single Thursday, and of course, we'll be doing our peculiar personas this time during October every day, every time the live stream will be an art journal page with a peculiar persona in some way. Um, so come and watch that. That's over on the Art Joy of Sharing live stream channel, which is a different channel. It's a sister channel to this one. Link is below the video. I'm not sure I have anything else. Anyway, so I've made these altered tags. I'm just about done. I used collage paper from my desk, and it's just I just have this little bin, and when I have little scraps of things I throw them in there. I've been going through a lot of stuff, and I've been making journals. I've been sorting through paper and sorting through other type of stuff and trying to get everything really organized and keeping the things that spark joy and being able to walk to a thing that I need, which is important to me, especially because I do a lot of live and classes and things, and maybe I didn't bring something to my desk. I like to be able to know where it is and walk right to it. So I've been trying really hard to get that stuff done. So this month I've sorted through a lot of paper and set up a new organization for all my colored papers because I predominantly do collage. I also have sorted through all these little things that I have to do projects like this, little words and sequins and different stuff. I've reorganized the way that my pens and pencils that I use frequently are so I can grab them right there in my mediums and things like that. And then all my other types of crayons and pencils and things are all in baskets that I can easily grab. They're close by, but not right within grabbing distance. But it's made it so much easier to just keep things organized and clean. I do still have the habit of putting things on the floor next to me and then not putting them away. So I need to get done with that. But yeah, it's been really cool to have my studio in a little bit better situation. It's not perfect yet. I still have a lot more sorting to do, but it's much better than it was. So I've backed both of these altered tags with a piece of cardstock that gives it a frame, and I'm adding the fibers now. I sure wished I had a scarf knitted out of that eyelash thread. It's really cool. Anyway, that's it for me for the vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.